balat sa ating rolling. Bayan ito, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Pwede white sugar. Tablespoon powder milk. Pinch of salt. 1/3 water. Red food coloring. Red food coloring. 1/3 lard tablespoon. 1 cup flour. Mix. And ganito na siya. I-keep natin siya, i-rest natin siya ng 10 minutes. Kaya takpan natin. Ating palaman, ito meron na tayong half cup na sugar with 2 tablespoon. 1.5 cup sugar plus 2 tablespoon. Teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Tablespoon powder milk, 4 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoon yellow food coloring, vanilla 1 teaspoon, 3 tablespoon butter, 3 cup water, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 2 cups flour. Then I mix siya with our hand. Malinis tong kamay ko ha. Palaman natin, kaya i-rest natin muna siya kasi manin natin yung ating dough. See you later. Yan yung palaman, ipaplat din natin siya. Malalaki to makakapal.